This video is a demonstration of Dream Player LITE controlling a welding scene. The welding light is controlled by a computer chip that has a blue and a white LED attached to it, and it flashes them in a way that makes it look like a welding arc. That chip is powered through the Dream Player LITE, which has four different audio files of different lengths, the same sound, set for random, so we don't know what we're going to get till we start it. And it's all triggered by this little device here, which is a light sensing LED, which is kind of buried in some of the cinders around the scene. And all that I will do is pass my hand over top, and that will lower the light, and you can see that the scene will then play. And one more time, take a look from the top. It's a pretty nice little setup. Here's the Dream Player LITE and the millivolt system. You can see I just have the speaker hung from it. I don't have it housed in anything at the time. And all of this is powered off of track power, and that track power is supplied by Digitrack's Zephyr Extra.